Hey, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Chinese dish, tomato and egg stir fry. It is one of my favorite dishes and also the very first dish I've ever learned to cook. It is very easy to make and it goes so well with rice and noodles. So let's get started.
We need 3 medium tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into small pieces, but don't cut them too small because they will melt. Then I'm going to beat 4 eggs using a whisk. Add a pinch of salt. We also need 2 scallions. Chop up the scallions into small pieces. And crush a clove of garlic. We're going to use that later. Now we're going to heat the pan to medium-high. Wait until the pan is hot. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Pour the beaten egg in. We don't want the eggs overcooked. Take it out as soon as you cannot see any liquid. You don't have to wash the pan. In the same pan, turn on the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then toss in the tomatoes and the chopped scallions. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The salt will soften the tomatoes and get the juice out. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of water for more sauce. When you see all the juices flowing out, this is time to add the eggs. Make sure you're breaking apart the eggs into small pieces and let them soak in the sauce for about 1 minute or 2. Turn off the heat. Last but not least, add a clove of crushed garlic, just using the remaining heat to bring out the flavor of the garlic. And garnish it with some chopped scallions. And it is ready to serve.
Amazing.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.